Hi, welcome to Judean Apartments. It's located in Lolwe Estate and it has both one bedroom and a bed sitter, which goes for 11K, and a one bedroom goes for 14K. So let's take a look. So this here is a bed sitter, and wow, I love this. It's spacious. It has enough lighting, and so onto your right, you have a bathroom big enough for a bed sitter, and I love that everything in it it's white, and the house itself is a new house, never been occupied. So that's now this is the whole space. It is big, you guys. It is big, and that's the wardrobe. I really loved that wardrobe, that it has a wardrobe, and that's the kitchen sector, which is actually a plus, and that's the window big enough and enough lighting.
Karibu Jaden apartment. Kuna one bedroom, bedsitter, good place. Mangalia kama hapa, ni a new place,
Yeah.
za manguo. It's a good place. You're welcome.
Okay. Your name?
Meshak.
Yeah.
My number is 0720 449794.
And this is a hanging area, and this is what really caught my eyes, that every floor has a common hanging area, which is a plus. So onto the one bedroom. This particular one is, I think, first floor. I guess that's the common hanging area, and so we're already in. That's the bedroom. That's the sitting room. I'm sorry. That's the sitting room. Quite spacious, but me, I'd go for the bed sitter anyway. So that's the sitting room, and so now we're going to the kitchen. Whoop! Everything is white, everything is clean. I love this, and for only 14K you get yourself a nice one bedroom. So next, I think we have the bedroom. Yeah, so that's the bedroom. Workable enough, just enough. And the wardrobe, yeah, the wardrobe, not really big, but it's workable. It's workable. Yeah, I really love these houses. They look, the location, the finishing, everything was just dope. So that's the bathroom. Everything is white. Yeah, make sure you subscribe to my channel.